Hello everyone. Today in this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can delete all your Facebook friends in just one click. So you have seen a lot of videos on YouTube saying that you can delete all of your friends at just one click. However, there are certain extensions which you can use on your Windows computer and from which you can delete all of your friends at once. But that process, if you do it in 2024, your account may get permanently deleted or restricted from Facebook. So unfortunately, there is no certain ways which you can delete your friends in just one click, but there is only one way you can do it, which is by going to your accounts, and from here, as you can see, you click your friends from here, and from here, as you can see your friends from in this list, you can manually delete all your friends from unfriend your friends from here. So you can unfriend your friends one after another from this method. The other way, which one click solution, is not possible in 2024. So yeah, I made this video so that your precious time won't you don't waste your precious time on fake videos. So yeah, that's why I made this video.